Okay, so if bed bugs are wrecking your sleep, this is your step-by-step plan to kill every last bug and start sleeping again. Fast, practical relief. Here's the thing. This guide gives you what to do tonight and over the next few months to remove every last bug. You'll get quick ways to reduce bites, a clear treatment plan to stop them breeding, and simple monitoring so you know when your home's truly bed bug free. You can do this. This next section is the step-by-step plan to kill every bed bug in your home. Follow the actions in order. Each step has a short reason, so you understand why it works. Okay, so the first thing you want tonight is to reduce bites. Put mattress and box spring encasements on right away, wash bedding and pajamas in hot water and dry on high, move the bed off walls and clear clutter, and put interceptors under each leg if the bed has legs. Here's the thing. Keep clean laundry sealed in plastic bags or bins and keep dirty laundry in a separate sealed hamper until washed. Work room by room and don't carry infested items through clean areas without sealing them. That simple separation prevents recontamination. This one's important. Vacuum mattress seams, baseboards, cracks, bed frames, and furniture edges, then immediately seal and toss the vacuum bag outside. Use a steamer at 230 degrees Fahrenheit on mattress seams, couches, and chairs so steam reaches cracks where sprays can't. That removes bugs, eggs, and shed skins. Use sprays the right way, a contact spray to kill visible bugs now, and a labeled residual insecticide along baseboards, cracks, bed frames, and furniture legs to keep killing after drying. Stick to the schedule. Twice a week the first month, then once a week for 2 to 3 months while you keep doing the other steps. Keep mattresses and box springs encased for the whole elimination period. Check encasements for tears and trapped bugs. Treat small furniture you can launder or steam, and take bed frames apart if you can to treat cracks and screw holes. Fill cracks in baseboards, behind trim, and around outlets with caulk to cut hiding places. Clutter rooms so there are fewer hiding spots and your treatments are far more effective. Less clutter means treatments reach more surfaces. Check interceptors and record any bugs you catch. Inspect mattress seams, bed frame joints, and furniture weekly. If you still see bed bugs after the first month, don't panic. Increase treatment frequency and keep up the laundering and encasements. Consistency beats panic. This next part covers the long-term steps and encouragement. It goes over what to expect in the weeks ahead and how you'll know when your home's truly clear. Be consistent. Keep washing, encasements, interceptors, and the spray schedule. Treat this like a marathon, not a sprint. Stick with it, even after things look better, because eggs and hidden nymphs can re-emerge if you stop too soon. You know what to expect. Expect up to 3 months of active monitoring and treatment because eggs and hidden nymphs can hatch later. If you don't see live bugs, shed skins, fecal spots, or blood spots for 3 full months, your home is very likely clear. 8K, a few extra practical tips that make the whole process easier. How to handle laundry, moving items safely, and keeping bedrooms simple so you can find problems fast. Quick tips: always bag clean laundry until the whole room is clear. If you must move items to donate or throw out, seal them in plastic and label them so you don't spread bed bugs. Keep bedrooms simple during treatment. Fewer items means faster detection. If you do spot a live bug after you thought you were done, don't assume the whole job failed. Here's what to do right away and how to search nearby areas. Don't freak out. If you find a live bug, treat that room right away with a contact spray and then get back to your regular treatment and monitoring. Also increase steam cleaning and inspect adjacent rooms and shared furniture to catch anything that might have moved. Bed bugs are stubborn but not unbeatable. The right combo: encasements, hot laundry, interceptors, cleaning, steam, and a planned spray routine will solve most infestations. Stick with the plan, track what you find, and give it a full 2 to 3 months of follow-through. You're closer than you think. If you want the exact products we use and suggest to finish the job, I list them for you. For the products we recommend to finish the job, click the link below. Be kind to yourself. This is stressful. Stick with the plan, track what you find, and give it a full 2 to 3 months of follow-through. You're closer than you think.